can see! I can see!
Hi friends, I've been doing a really simple drama technique just about every week with my lessons, and it's gone so well I just thought I've got to tell you about it. I call it Snapchat drama. What I do is I portion out the Bible story that we've studied, and I put each little part on a strip of paper. And after I've taught the story, I say to the kids, who would like to act out the story? And of course they all want to act out the story. But before I get them to be involved, I show them exactly what I want them to do, because this gives them confidence to do it really well. And then I say, hey guys, when you say your part, you're going to have to say it 2 times, but I want you to say it 2 different ways. And then I proceed to act out each part. So for instance, the first part, number 1, what's happening? What's happening? Number 2, Jesus is passing by. Jesus is passing by. Jesus, have mercy on me. Jesus, have mercy on me. So I do something like that to actually demonstrate, and I say, kids, do you see how I said it 2 different ways when I said the actual statement? They go, oh yes, yes. So then I have someone hand out all the pieces of slips of paper, and they line up in order, and then I tell them I'm going to do the opening and do the closing. And so the opening to this blind man's story, I would say, as Jesus came into town, a blind man was sitting by the road. He heard the crowd.
What's happening? What's happening?
Jesus is passing by. Jesus is passing by.
Jesus, have mercy on me. Jesus, have mercy on me.
Funny. Be quiet. Shh. Be quiet.
Jesus, have mercy on me. Jesus, have mercy on me.
What do you want me to do for you? What do you want me to do for you?
I want to say! I want to say! Your faith has made you well. Your faith has made you well. I can see! I can see!
And then at the end, I would do the closing, immediately follow Jesus, and everyone who was there, praise God. And then I'd tell the whole class, everyone clap your hands, give them a clap, take a bow. And I say, okay, now I want you to find someone else who would like to take part and do the drama and give them your part. So I let the students give their part out to someone else to do the drama again. So then you get a lot of kids involved. I thought this might be a help to you. Let me know by giving me a thumbs up or let me know in the comments. Also, if you'd like to see more Snapchat stories, I actually have more tutorials about this, as well as echo stories too. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope you have fun doing Snapchat drama and teaching kids the stories of Jesus.